Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Dawn. Tonight I'm making chili mac. Quick, easy, just as good as chili, if not better, and it doesn't have to sit there and simmer for hours. And then we're going to chat a little bit, so let's get started. Okay everybody, I'm going to use 2 pounds of ground meat, and any of the seasonings I use, I'm not measuring. It's something I made for quite a while. I just kind of do it to taste. The most important one is the chili powder anyway. So I'm going to throw this ground meat in here real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on to start boiling for the elbows. I'm going to go ahead and add a handful of celery. Usually I would drain this, but there's not a lot of grease in this. And what's in there, I want to use for flavor. You don't need too much. It's not like we're making a soup or anything, so you don't need that much celery. You don't even have to put it in if you don't want to. 1 can of diced tomatoes. Okay, and I got some light red kidney beans. I'm going to put the whole thing in there, I think. Yeah. I always rinse my kidney beans first. Mix this up. Okay, guys, now I'm going to hurry up and add some garlic, some onion powder, and the most important, the chili powder. I think I need to open the bottom first. Oh, it is. Well, why ain't it coming out? Huh? Oh, there. Well, it's still just dragging out. There we go. I got it. So I just add some at a time, and then I taste it. But one thing I have learned over the years of making this is it becomes a stronger taste as it sits. So I don't add too much at one time because then it'll be way too hot or too much chili powder in it. I'm going to go ahead and add more chili powder because I know I'm going to need quite a bit. I just don't want to overdo it. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Okay, that's probably all I need now. Oh, my gosh, that's hilarious. I might need more because not a lot came out of that. Okay, so I wanted to tell you guys real quick, if you saw my earlier video from today, I did not find a dress for the wedding. I didn't even get to try anything on. The malls have nothing there anymore. It's just crazy. I just couldn't believe there was barely any choices to find a dress to wear to this wedding. So I'm going to try a couple other places throughout the week, and I may end up ordering on Amazon, which I hate because I don't know my size, and every medium and large is different from one brand to another, but we're going to try that. Also, I am done with the wig in the summer. It's just too hot, so I'm going to highlight my hair on my own. I'm going to get a ponytail and start wearing it up again. I just don't have my original ponytail because it no longer matches the color of my hair because there's a lot of gray coming in. But those wigs, forget it. Too hot in the summer. So I'm going to let this simmer. I'm going to watch the elbows. And I also wanted to ask you guys, do you like the shorter content and the quicker content, or do you like stuff like this where we chat a little bit, or do you like a little bit of both? Let me know what you like. Let me know what you want to see. If you have any suggestions on what I should make or try or do differently, put them in the comments. Let me know. All right, I'm going to let this simmer. I'll check back with you in a few. Okay, I'm going to add the elbows now. I don't have a lid for this pan. I need new pans bad. So I have a pizza pan on it. So generic, but that's all right. Just want to make sure I get these the celery cooked all the way. You know what? I'm going to add some mushroom real quick. Okay, I'm not a huge mushroom fan, but Tim likes mushroom, and it'll be good in this. I'm not going to add all of them, but I will add some. That's good. I need some more seasonings, but I'm going to add some elbows first. Oh, see, it's coming together good. Just like chili, only quicker, and we're adding the elbows, which Tim actually eats his bowl of chili with elbows in it anyway. We definitely need more seasoning. Onion powder, garlic, chili. I know my mother-in-law is probably cringing because she hates when there's so much seasoning on something. Like I said, just add your seasoning by taste. So I'm going to put the lid back on, simmer it for a while, then I'm going to taste it and see if it needs to add some more seasoning. Okay, be right back. Okay, everybody, it's done. Done, done, done. You just shut it off. So good in here. The smell of chili smells through my whole house. It's so good. So I'm going to go ahead and plate it up, and then we will try it. I will be right back. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, it looks good. See, I'll bring it around for y'all. And we added a little bit of Parmesan also, but I also like, I'm going to put a little bit of Colby Jack on mine. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to mine. Tim added salt and pepper to his. Does it look good? Get a little bit of everything here. Cheese. Come on. I know it's hot. Turned out perfect. The chili taste is so good. I love mine with the cheese, the celery, the mushrooms, the garlic powder, the onion, all came together so good. And we also added a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top of it. So I am happy with it. I think you guys will be too. Yum, 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 yum. It's perfect. You all have a great rest of your week, and I will see you soon. Stay healthy. Bye.